Hi, it's me, K10, and check out the veggies I got for the veggie party I'm having later. I got celery. I love celery. It is so crunchy. I got some lettuce. This is good to make a salad with. I got some bok choy. I love to fry this up. And I got a Brussels sprout that I love to roast in the oven. So delicious. Oh, I can't wait to have my veggie party. But this table is kind of plain. Hey, wait a minute. This gives me a clever idea for a Crafternoon. We can make a tablecloth for this table using these veggies. Come on, let me show you. Let's go. Whoa, all right. So we have our veggies, but right now I chopped off the bottom of this and I left the top because we're gonna eat these really crunchy celeries. So we have the bottom of our celery. I'm going to put this on this little board here because this is gonna become a stamp. And this is what the bottom of lettuce looks like. It's like that. And that will be a stamp. And this is what the bottom of bok choy looks like. And we'll save these for later. And I was thinking we could use the leaves of the Brussels sprout to be a stamp for leaves for us because they have nice kind of like leaf veins on them, I guess. So I'm gonna take a couple of these and they can be our leaf stamps. Come on, there you go. Boop. And we have our tablecloth. And this is just craft paper. They call it craft paper. You can get it at the dollar store or a craft store. Sometimes you can even find this at the post office because people wrap packages in it too. We are going to take 4 colors. And I'm gonna have 4 plates because these are stamps and they are going to maybe splash around a bit, so I wanna make sure I have room for everything. So for our leaves, I'm going to pour some green paint in, and I just found these paints at the dollar store. You can find paints really anywhere. I'm gonna do some red. I think our celery should have our rose, a red rose stamp. So I'm gonna pour some out there. Ooh, ooey gooey. I'm gonna use purple for, look at that, for our lettuce stamp. And for our bok choy stamp, I was thinking I would use this kind of pinky purple color, like that. I think these colors are gonna look really good together. So let's get stamping. The first thing I think we should stamp is our red roses with our celery. So let's wiggle our celery stamp in this red paint. Get a bunch of paint on it. Ooh, look at that. Wow, okay. Now for the moment of truth. How does this look? We're gonna go stamp. Oh, wow. That looks kind of like a rose. All right, let's put a few of these stamps on this paper. I'm gonna stamp. Oh, these are looking great. Stamp, stamp. And if you make a mistake or if you get, a glob of paint somewhere, don't worry about it because that's all part of the fun. And look, different amounts of paint create different types of stamp impressions. How cool is that? I'm gonna go right here. All right, so now that we've done our red roses, let's move this to the side, and I think we should maybe do our bok choy one. Let's do our bok choy flower. It looks like this. We're gonna use this kind of light purple color. Get that all ooey gooey. Stamp, stamp. This is just looking so nice. And now I think we should do our purple lettuce flower and see what the lettuce stamp looks like. Smells like a salad. All right, I'm gonna rub it in the paint, get our stamp nice and ooey gooey, and we're going to stamp it. How does it look, I wonder? Ooh, that looks very unique. One here, and that looks pretty good, actually. Maybe one more here. All right, the last thing we need to do is put some leaves on these flowers. And I'm thinking we don't need leaves everywhere, because that might be a lot of green, but I think we can do some leaves on different flowers, so let's give it a shot with our Brussels sprout stamp. So I'm just going to dip this in my paint and get this all ooey gooey. Now that this is a painty Brussels sprout, you definitely wouldn't want to eat this. And you're just gonna press. That is so cool. It kind of does look like a leaf. And we'll just do another press right here. And one right here. And you can just choose however many leaf stamps you want to put on whatever flowers you want to put them on. I'm going to maybe do some on this purple flower. Stamp, stamp. Wow. Oh, maybe one right here too. Once you start stamping, it's hard to stop. That looks so great. Check it out. This is our Crafternoon creation. We made flower stamps from celery, bok choy, lettuce, and Brussels sprouts. Now what we gotta do is have a veggie party. Now that we have our tablecloth, the last thing we need is the veggies. Check it out. I have some orange carrots and green celery and my favorite ranch dip. It is so good. Well, thank you so much for having another Crafternoon with me, K10. Bye. Let me give this a try.